Today I want to show you how to make a scatter plot in Google Sheets. I've done this once before, but a little has changed in Google, so here it is again. I recommend watching this video in full screen mode because some of the stuff is kind of small. So the first thing you want to do is type your data in. You should type your x-axis first, and then the data you want on the y-axis second. You're going to highlight all of that data, and you're going to click up here where there's this little bar graph icon that says Insert Chart. It's going to default typically to a bar graph, so on the chart type, which comes up on the right, you're going to click on that and scroll down to the scatter plot. Now you've got a scatter plot, but it, for reasons unknown, shows two different lines, so you're going to click, scroll down a little bit to these checkboxes and click on Use Column A as Labels, and that should fix you into a single line. Next, you're going to go to Customize up at the top here, and you can click on the chart axis and titles, and it's a little drop-down menu, so you can change the chart title, you can change the horizontal axis title, and the vertical axis title. I recommend doing that if you want to have your X and Y axis labeled with units and everything. I'm not going to do that right now. Then you're going to go to Series. This is how you're going to get a trend line. And under Series, you're going to scroll down to the checkboxes, and you're going to click on Trend Line. That's going to give you a trend line. Then if you want to know the slope of that trend line, you're going to scroll down a little bit more to where it says Label. You're going to click on that and click Use Equation. This is going to give you the equation for that line in the format y equals mx plus b, where the m in front of the x, the number in front of the x, is the slope of your trend line. And that is how you make a graph in Google Sheets.